Got everything welded out now. Test fit in those photos before. About to paint. Installing my hardy backer. I got the bottom piece there caulked in. I'm using some Vulcan 116 with the M12 caulk gun. I got this all sealed up and I'm about to put the bottom over here, kind of sealing it from the weather from the bottom, and hopefully it'll stay dry inside. See if it works. All right, got my Ruvati sink in, pretty cheap on Amazon, and cheap faucet on Amazon, had good reviews. I got this mounted in 3/4 inch plywood. It's gonna end up having granite. I just wanted to get it in place, be able to start using it. Coming out. I'm gonna run 2 propane bottles under here. This is off of a RV. You can point it towards whichever bottle you want to use. If you're running this bottle, it runs out, then it'll swap over to this bottle. All right, so I got it installed. Sinks is functional. Got all the plumbing connected up. Electrical. Got the fridge plugged in here. These are my lights up top here. I got them on a dimmer back here. Got my gas line ran. Got the fridge connected up. Skillet. And then got my propane bottles connected in. Time for the other part of the L. All right, so it's coming along. This is where the charcoal is gonna go. Charcoal grill, this will get cut out. And this is where the propane goes. It'll get cut out, and I'll run bracing up here. About to frame the door and the drawer set up.